Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravy's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravy. And guys, for this video, as you can see from the title, and as you can see from the fermenter, I'm brewing again. And for this one, again, as you can see from the title, this is a 1 gallon batch of a Rosemary IPA. Yeah, you heard me right, Rosemary. I must admit, I did intend to brew this on camera as a grain to glass video. I will still bring you the glass part in a couple of weeks once this has fermented. I have, as I just referenced, only just put this on. As you can see, there is my pitching temp. A little bit high, but them's the breaks in such a small kitchen. Down in the description, I'm going to pop my ingredients, or the ingredients and recipe for this beer. And also down in the description, I'm going to post a video to the guys at Basic Brewing, James and Steve, where I got the idea for this recipe from. Yes, it was one of theirs, so I thought I'd give it a go. It sounded very interesting. Again, just a 1 gallon batch. I think they did about, well, I think they did a full size batch, 5 gallon. Anyway, link to their video will be down there in the description. Also in the description, and they will be updated as they go, will be my starting gravity and pitching temp. And I think I'll probably throw the approximate ABV of this beer down in the description as well. However, again, the numbers will obviously change, and I can probably bring you a better actual ABV once it comes to the review. Now guys, well, once again, I'm sorry that I didn't do this particular video or this particular brew on camera. I think I started early enough that I just couldn't really be bothered to set up my camera, so I thought I'd just give you this quick peek instead. Right guys, well, that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravy's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy. I'll see you later. Cheers.